Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Pykid, and today I'll be starting a brand new series where I'll teach you AI and machine learning concepts in a simple but informative way. If you're new to my channel, I highly recommend checking out my Python tutorial series, my Python exercises series, and my data structures and algorithms series. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the thumbs up button, and share my videos with your friends. Now, this video is going to be a brief introduction to artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you haven't heard of these before, this video is perfect for you. First off, what is artificial intelligence or AI? AI is all about creating smart machines that can think and act like humans. You see AI every day, from asking Siri or Alexa for the weather to chatting with virtual assistants. It's making tasks easier and solving problems that we find tough. And guess what? AI is becoming a big part of the technology world around us. Let's see some examples of AI. Have you ever talked to Siri or Alexa? Well, those use AI to interact with you. Think of the voice assistants as having their own robot mind or robot intelligence. Since their consciousness isn't naturally made like humans and animals, they are called artificial intelligences. AI also helps drive cars safely. If you've ever driven in a car with an autopilot setting, that uses AI to detect objects around the vehicle. Another use of AI is in assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases. AI also recommends movies and songs that you might like and helps decide what you see on your social media feed. AI is becoming a big part of our daily lives. Now, what is machine learning? Let's talk about machine learning, or ML. ML is a cool branch of AI where computers learn from data, just like how you learn from reading books or watching videos. They use this learning to get better at tasks. The more data or the more information that they get, the smarter they become. Machine learning is used in many things, like making better movie recommendations or helping your phone understand your voice. For example, if you watch a lot of sci-fi movies, then all of that data is then going to go to the machine learning model, who's going to use that information to recommend more sci-fi movies for you. So, how does machine learning actually work? It uses special algorithms, which are like recipes that learn from a lot of data. These algorithms, they spot patterns and they make smart guesses or predictions based on what they've learned. There are different ways ML does this, and the more quality that the data has, the better it is at predicting results. Now, some examples of machine learning. For example, machine learning is behind your email spam filter, figuring out which emails are junk. It helps tag your friends in photos online, and when your phone suggests words as you type, like autocorrect, that's ML2. It even helps recommend products you might like online and predicts traffic on your route. Throughout this series, we'll be using Python, a programming language that's super popular in the world of AI and ML. If you don't know Python yet, don't worry. My channel has over 50 simple and easy Python tutorials for you to learn from. It's not just easy to learn, but it also has powerful tools that help us. Python is used by both professionals and students, so there's a huge community out there that can help us learn and grow. In this series, we're going to be exploring a lot of fascinating topics. We're going to be learning about linear regression, which helps us find patterns in data. We'll learn about logistic regression, which is used for classifying things. We'll dive into how computers process human language in natural language processing. We'll also explore how neural networks and deep learning work, mimicking the human brain. And we'll talk about advanced stuff like large language models, including things like chatgpt. Once we start diving into complex ideas, there's a ton of other concepts I'll also teach you, so please stay tuned for future videos. That's a wrap on our introduction. we're going to have a lot of fun learning about AI and ML. These topics are really important for the future, and understanding them is super exciting, and you get to keep up with what's happening in the coding world. We've got a lot more interesting things to cover, so stay tuned. And don't hesitate to ask questions or share your thoughts, because we're on this learning journey together. Thanks for watching.